Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, NFT causing a storm all over the internet. So here we come up with Whacky World NFT. The NFT collection committed to combating climate change and reducing crypto carbon footprints. Welcome to Whacky World NFT, where we hope to make the world as wonderful as it can be. Whacky World is a collection of 10,000 custom illustrative depictions of our planet. The purpose of this environmental NFT collection is to promote change and make a more positive impact on the world. With every purchase of a Whacky World NFT, we'll be planting one tree to help offset the emissions produced by the world of crypto. Also, they raise awareness. With the rising popularity in the crypto realm, more and more electric power is needed to sustain the blockchain. Because of this, the crypto space is quickly becoming a critical contributor to the Earth's climate crisis. With the Whacky World NFT collection, we wanted to create a new way to combat climate change. Our goal is to raise awareness within the crypto community about the havoc we're wreaking on the planet, because although we're reaching unparalleled technological advances within the world of crypto, Earth's environments and ecosystems are suffering as a result. Hey, race the roadmap. Where in the world are we going? This roadmap presents all of the plans we have for the future of our environmental NFT collection. All of our ideas and concepts are geared towards raising environmental awareness, while discussing changes we can all make to keep our planet as healthy and happy as possible. Launch. The initial public launch of 50 Whacky World NFTs will go live on April 22nd to coincide and raise awareness for World Earth Day. Merch store opening. For all Whacky World NFT holders, we will be opening a Whacky World merch store where you can purchase exclusive Whacky World products. Metaverse Zoo. This land will be used to build a virtual zoo to house the most endangered species on our planet. Our hope is for people who visit the zoo to see just how many animals are at risk of extinction because of the impact of our technological advances. Whacky World Endangered Species. We will be releasing a sub-collection within Whacky World which will contain illustrations of the world's most endangered species. Whacky World 1000 Special Edition Humans. We will be releasing a special edition human sub-collection which will pay tribute to the wonderful environmental work. Whacky World 10,000 Warrior Trees. This sub-collection will comprise the only animated NFTs within the Whacky World collection. These NFTs will include Earth-protecting warrior trees who will stop at nothing to help Mother Earth find health and happiness once more. And at last, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Hey, race their OpenSea collection.